Welcome, I'm Scotch Dragon, and this is my 5th episode of Ratchet and Clank.
Let's see if we can help out Skid McMarks.
Wait, is that Skid McMarks up ahead?
Oh, someone help me! Huh? Oh man, am I happy you two dudes showed. I've been out here all night. I can't believe it, Skid McMarks. I have seen every one of your races. You pulled off a triple Nova spin at Mach 2 at last year's Kerwin Cup. It's always good to meet a fan, little dude.
I am Clank. This is Ratchet. Your uncle received your infobot and asked us to assist you.
Oh, I was wondering if he got that. My agent and I have been running from those blarg all night. Only we ended up getting separated in the chaos, and I took a gnarly fall getting out of the Skid McMark Sports Shack. Hey, think you dudes can clear out the sand shark so I can get to my ship? Give me my hoverboard if you do. Whoa, a real McMarks 4000? Consider it done. Watch out for those sand sharks, bro. Whoa! You got skill, little dude.
Mr. Zurkon.
Whoa, that was awesome!
Mr. Zurkon is here to kill.
Enemy down!
Looks like there are a few sand sharks up there on the plateau. Think you can take care of them?
Hello, stinky aliens. You know what's wrong with Mr. Zurkon?
There are a few more on the plateau. A little furry dude.
Mr. Zurkon is here to kill. Greetings, soon-to-be-dead alien.
Look up there. That must be Skid's ship.
Ha ha ha! Mr. Zurkon, have you been killed by Mr. Zurkon yet?
There's another sand shark right there.
Yes!
You're doing great, dude. Few more left. Hey, are you dudes like hungry? Because when this is over, I could go for some food. You know, like a cheeseburger or space pizza. I think Quark Scrub Grab still delivers this late.
Mr. Zurkon is here to kill.
There's another sand shark right there.
Mr. Zurkon does not require acquire votes. His currency is pain. Mr. Zircon is bored. Hello, sneaky aliens. These are the votes Mr. Zircon lives for. I shall let you live.
There's another sand shark right there!
Only to kill.
Oh, you got them all! Nice work, little dudes!
That was pretty awesome. Thanks for your help. Here's your hoverboard.
Whoa, and it's autographed. To Ratchet and Clank, the chillest dudes I've ever hung out with on a hostile alien planet. Cool.
Will you be able to get home on your own?
I'll be okay, though I don't think I'll be able to compete in the Blackwater City hoverboard competition. Kind of a bummer, dude. Hey, have either of you little dudes seen my agent? I feel kind of bad leaving him out here. He doesn't do well with nature. Oh, dude, I hope this isn't a career-ending injury.
We should search the area for Skid's agent. He may need our assistance.
Hey!
Yeah, it's my charming personality that keeps you coming back, ain't it? Oh, I'll give you a good deal on that one. That's how you make a great weapon even better.
Mr. Zircon is here to
Attention, future consumer. While the Skid McMark Sports Shack appreciates your enthusiasm, you are now trespassing in a restricted area. Please vacate the construction site.
busy creature. You fight like an infant dragonfly. I shall let you live, little alien. Psych. Mr. Zircon lives only to kill. Mr. Zircon has returned with a vengeance.
Uh-oh, reinforcements!
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. You plus Mr. Zircon equals die.
That's the last of them.
That was impressive.
Attention, future consumer. We thank you for your interest in the Skid McMark Sports Shack. However, your refusal to leave has forced us to activate the Constructobots. Have a nice day.
My sensors are picking up a strange energy signature near the swing shot targets. I believe it may be a gadget from Trek Industries.
All right, let's have a look around.
Ah, I see you two dudes found my store. Hey, it doesn't look like much now, but it's gonna be awesome! We're gonna have hoverboards, a swing shot course, and even a 24-hour taco stand for those late-night munchy attack.
Mr. Zircon has you now. Mr. Zircon is
Skid
born.
Marks here. Hey, don't let old man Winter bum you out. Visit our snowboard department. Pick up the latest in snow-shredding technology. It's never too cold to be cool. You ready to catch some waves? Dawn, tubular. Dudes, have I got a deal for you? Just head over to the Pro Surf department and say the secret phrase, whoa, dude, and get 5% off your next purchase. Whoa, dude. Hey, it's Skid here. You know, anybody can buy stuff and look cool, but unless you sound cool, you won't be cool. So check out our class schedule and sign up for the cool seminar, where you'll learn to look, sound, and even smell cool, like me.
Nanotech. Do you wish to take a nap too, Lombax? Crates, you dare waste Mr. Zircon's time with crates?
Ratchet & Clank found a portable hydro displacer, designed by Dr. Nefarious. This ingenious device promised to move water from one place to the other. Just a push of a button, the duo could now fill an entire swimming pool. Originally designed to unclog Valkyrie toilets, Ratchet would find the hydro displacer invaluable in navigating the sewers of the galaxy.
We should search the area for Skid's agent. He may need our assistance.
Intrusion detected. In Sector 4, dispatching Constructobots.
Zircon is here to kill. Everyone's heart's beating.
They keep coming.
You are not dead yet. Mr. Zircon
I
intends
believe we are clear.
Attention, future consumer. The finest selection of hoverboards, grav bikes, and gyrocycles will not be in stock until next fall. The only thing waiting for you here is death.
Hey, Skid McMarks here, and as you know, I'm a naturally talented hoverboarder. You know what else is natural about me? Find out by visiting our herbal supplements department. You'll thank me later, man. No, seriously, well.
you are a disease, and Mr. Zircon is the cure. Death is too stupid for Mr. Zircon. Mr. Zircon is looking to kill. Does not require votes. His currency is paid. Flee and tell them
down.
Mr. Zircon is here to make death. Do you know how to be killed? Allow Mr. Zircon to give you. Mr. Zircon. Mr. Zircon is born.
Set complete. Way to go! A complete set!
Client has information that belongs to Chairman Trek. Come on, don't make this hard on yourself. Give him up and no one gets hurt.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I don't know where he is. You know celebrities these days, they do whatever they want. We can work this out, can't we?
Oh, we'll work it out by feeding you to the sand sharks.
Enemy down.
to kill me! Take out the Lawbacks!
One little, two little, dead little beans. 4 little, 5 little, dead little beans.
There's more of them! Hey, get them off my back and I'll make you famous!
Now that's impressive. Have either of you thought about a career in professional sports?
Mr. Zircon cannot be destroyed. I shall let you live, little alien. Besides, Mr. Zircon lives only to kill.
Good work, kid. I think that's all of them. Hey, you must be the two heroes who saved my client, huh? Don't tell me, don't tell me. Socket and Clink.
Ratchet and Clank.
Right, beautiful. Sprocket and Plank. I like the sound of it. Real marketing potential. I could sell that. Listen, my client and I got separated in our somewhat hasty trek back to the ship. I'd go meet up with them, but this place is crawling with sand sharks. Think you can help me out?
You have nothing to fear, sir. The sand sharks have been dealt with.
Beautiful, beautiful. You two have heart. I could sell that.
We are always happy to assist.
We really appreciate you helping us out.
So where are you off to now?
A hospital, I guess. Gotta get this lead checked out.
A hospital? Skid, come on. You've been through worse. What are we gonna do about your sponsors?
I'm beginning to think you don't, care about me or whatever.
Fine. What about you, Renchi?
Ratchet.
Exactly. You want to be a hoverboard star? This infobot will give you all the details. Just tell him Don Wonderstar sent you.
It's that time again. The annual Blackwater City Hoverboard Competition on Planet Rilgar. Are you a young thrill seeker looking to show off your hoverboard skills? Then blast on over to Rilgar and experience the pulse-pounding thrill of doing Mach 3 on a rocket-powered piece of plastic. How exciting is the race? Just listen to some of our previous champions.
I never miss the Blackwater City Hoverboard Competition, except for next year's. I probably won't make that one.
I can't feel my toes. Is that normal?
We're offering cash prizes and holo cards to the winners. So head to Planet Rilgar and take a shot at the most extreme sporting event in the galaxy. And try not to die.
Wow, we just saved a celebrity. I want to check out that hoverboard competition.
We should head back to the ship.
Mr. Zircon is born. Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Mr. Zircon is born.
Ratchet needed Magna boots. Perhaps you could find a pair in Nebula G34.
That vendor might have some new weapons.
Mr. Zircon would like you to upgrade him. That's one of our best sellers. That's how you make a great weapon even better.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and come back for more in the next episode.